In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, building a quiz for your class, or you simply want your form to look cleaner and easier to read, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google form. You can use any form you already have. I'll just open one from my list so you can follow along easily. Once your form is open, look toward the top right corner for the palette icon, also known as Customize Theme. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen showing different text customization options. Here you'll find settings for header, questions, and text. Each section has its own font style, font family, and font size controls. These options allow you to adjust how every part of your form looks. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. If you want to change your main title size, look under Header. For question text, use the Questions section. For descriptions or answer text, adjust the text size. Doing this beforehand helps you stay organized and makes your form look consistent. Now let's change the font size. For example, if your form title is currently set to size 20, simply click the drop-down menu and switch it to 24. You'll instantly see the size increase. And if you want to try a smaller size like 18, just select it from the list. The preview updates automatically, so you can pick what looks best. If you want your questions to stand out even more, go to the Questions section and increase the size there too. For example, you can move a question from size 12 to size 20, or even higher if you want bold, large text. This is especially helpful when sharing forms with people who prefer larger, more readable layouts. Once you've completed all your adjustments, take a moment to preview your form. Make sure the text looks balanced, readable, and matches the style you want. It's also a good idea to view it on both computer and mobile since font sizes can look different depending on the device. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to increase the font size in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?